Alright, so they say that we are supposed to do this one for 4. The diagram below represents the outline. If you have not watched question 1, question 2, question 3, go back to those videos, alright? The diagram below represents the outline of a tire on a tar car. What distance would the car travel if the tire makes one rotation? Right. So basically, what they're saying, the car goes around one time. Right? So it goes 360 degrees one time. So that will be the actual distance of the tire. So what they want us to find is the begins with C and with E. Just the circumference. Now, in order to find the circumference, we can either do one way. Now, I think this is the diameter they're trying to give us here. I don't know why it's not aligned here, but this is 28 centimeters. So that means you can say pi d or 2 pi r. So that we are familiar with this 2 pi r. So let's do that. So it's 2 pi r, but it does make a difference. I'm going to use both ways. So the circumference, so it's 2 times pi. What's pi? We take pi to be 22 over 7. The radius will be 14, right? So it's half. So it's 14. 7 to that 1, 7 to that. So 2 times that is 4, 4 times that 88 centimeters. You could have just said pi d, which is pi times the diameter. So we just use the actual diameter since they gave us. So it's 22 over 7 times the diameter, which is 28. 7 to 7, 1, 7 to that 4, 4 times that. As I said, either way, it is the correct. So when you make one rotation, it will be 88 centimeters. And they did told us to use pi as 22 over 7. I didn't recognize it. So they are saying explain how you got the answer. I don't know what kind of explanation they want, but it's the circumference. As I said before, it's the circumference of the tire. When you rotate one time, the distance of one rotation will be the distance of the circumference, which is 88 centimeters. Don't stress out the kids then, man. Come on, let's go, let's go. Alright guys, so we are finished with that. So we're gonna look at the next question, which is question 5. Alright, so it says given the following square base pyramid, so it's a square base pyramid, respond to each statement below with either a true or a false. If the statement is false, write the correct statement in the space provided. Alright, so what they're trying to say, guys, if we choose false, we must put the answer. Alright, so it's not just, we just say false and we leave it at that. Alright, so it's very, very intense and interesting. So let us see if we can figure out what they're asking us. So let's move right into the question. So the first one says the solid has 4 vertices, and that would be incorrect. Now the vertices is where the line's gonna meet. Like here, we have 1, 2. So first of all, we choose false. 3, 4, and the final one. So that's 5 vertices. So the square base pyramid has 5 vertices. So that's what makes it incorrect. So it should be 5 vertices. So that been better type it, don't it? So that's 5 vertices. Next, it says the solid has 8 edges. Now the edges are basically these lines, edge, and that is true. So I'm just gonna type the word true there. True. All right, so now it said the solid has no equilateral triangle as faces, and that is the solid has no, yeah, it doesn't. So I'm gonna go with true for that one. You guys type in fast what you think. What you think for D? It says no, the solid has no isosceles triangle as faces. I'm gonna say that is false. And I'm gonna explain why I say it is false. Let's use a diagram as the premise. So if this line, if this is 7, all of these lines would be 7, right? Let me put 5. All of these would be 7, right? So this slant line would be 7 also. So here we have one isosceles triangle, which is this is 7, this is 7, and this is 5. So let's make it an isosceles. Alright, so I'm gonna go with that. What did I choose? False, yeah. He says the opposite sides of the base in the solid are not equal to length. Opposite sides of the base. So the base of what it sits on. So it's sitting on the square, right? So we can see here, so it's 5. So this is basically a square. So what they are saying that what is opposite to that? Opposite sides of the base in the solids are not equal. I'm gonna go with true. So that is true. It says the base, not the opposite base. Alright? Not the opposite, like the triangles. Alright guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Lennox Bennett. Here is my number. See you guys in another video. Alright, I'm out.